vintage cars rolling inside the Raj Bhavan in Bengaluru as voting is just around the corner. The BBMP is doing all it can to create this enthusiasm among voters. I have with me Tushar Girinath, the Commissioner of the BBMP. How are you going to motivate urban voters to come out and vote? We know urban apathy is real.
Urban apathy we don't want to say because it is a negative connotation.
Yeah.
I am only requesting all the voters of Bangalore to come out in large number and to vote to take this what do you call a black mark on Bangalore citizenry that we do not come and vote at the time of elections. So my request to all the voters in Bangalore is to this time at least we will turn this around and all of you will come and vote, and surely this time we should see at least 10% improvement in our voting.
What's the reason for this vintage vehicles?
Okay, so there are two aspects of our enthusing the voters.
Yeah.
One is to build the environment.
Yeah.
It is a part of environment building. We have taken up cyclothon, walkathon, bike rallies, and that we have already done one antique car rally. This is the second one, and it is very close to the election. That is why election day. That is why we have requested.
Do people respond with excitement when they see these vehicles on the road?
Yeah, they do, but it should be translated into voting. Last year also we did all these events. But there was a very small change in the voting percentage. This time, that is why we are having a two-pronged strategy. We are building the environment and nudging the voters, but also we are going house to house to all those polling stations where the voting percentage was less.
Right.
We are having a guide, voters guide.
Why does it happen? I know I have to ask this with the Election Commission as to respond. Why on a Friday? This is what encourages people to take off on a holiday.
Last time we didn't have it on Friday. We had it in the middle of the week on our request. Then also there was hardly any change in the voting percentage. So this time our argument has not cut any ice with the commission, it seems. But we are doing our best. And this is, yes, Friday, Saturday, Sunday being the 3 days holiday.
Yeah.
There may be some feeling of going out, etc. So we are requesting the voters to first vote and then proceed. We are not saying that you don't go out.
No, but why? I still want to know what is the reason for this, indifference among the urban voters. Anyway, how does it matter? That kind of attitude, why do you think that's set in as opposed to people of rural areas who take it really seriously to get out there, beating the heat, rain, storm, hail, whatever be it, they'll be there.
So we can only conjectures, there are only conjectures. One is of course because their way of living is different, so they are accustomed to more amenities. That we are trying to address by providing better polling stations, so that they don't have to be in long queues, etc. And we will provide shade, water, because you are accustomed to a better way of lifestyle, and you feel that going to the polling station is a bit of a strain. That is, we are trying to give a good experience so far as that is concerned.
So really no reason this time for them to skip.
Yes, there is no reason to miss out the most important. It is people have to vote for themselves. They are voting for the country. They are voting for their own future. Hence, it is very important for the people to come out and vote. It is their own future is at stake. So absolutely. That is there. They will come out for their own good to vote.
All right, here we're setting off on a vintage car rally all through the streets of Bengaluru, where the urban electorate are located. They're going to see this and hopefully get motivated to cast their franchise. Woo! This is certainly going to build that kind of curiosity. They're going to try and find out what exactly is this vintage car rally doing right in the center of Bengaluru. Of course, the urban electorate are certainly going to be enthused looking at the number of these vintage cars out in the streets, and hopefully would ask a question, what's the campaign all about? And they'd see those little posters there. I'm not too sure if my camera can catch it right in the front, that says, go out there, exercise your franchise. This is in every way the civic body, the BBMP, doing all that they can to sort of pump up the mood of the voters and try and instill in them the kind of commitment towards the country in the form of their vote. So how old is this car here? It's 1929 model Fiat.
Yeah, this is 1929 model Fiat
Right.
of seat depot. This is the only one vehicle in India we have.
Lovely.
This is from Rajasthan Maharaja's
So
family.
it's part of the Warrior family.
Yeah.
It was owned by the Mysore Maharaja.
No, now it's owned by the Rajasthan Maharaja,
Oh,
who is now father-in-law of Mr. Yaduvir Vodaya.
okay. Wow.
Just recently we came to know that.
All right. So we have passengers right here with me as well, ma'am. Why will you vote this time?
Yeah, it's everyone should cast their vote. It's our rights.
How do you use this car on a regular basis? Is it possible to drive around like on a random day?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. What's the mileage, if I may ask?
We should not guess the mileage. Approximately we will get around 8 kilometers.
8 kilometers mileage. How much did you buy this vehicle for?
This is my fashion.
It's your passion.
Yeah.
Can you tell us the price to your passion?
Price. This is the priceless. We can't use the price.
So if someone offers you 4 crores, will you sell it?
No.
Oh, fantastic, sir.
No.
Why will you vote this time?
Because, see, it is our right to vote,
Yeah.
to enhance our country, to brighten our country.
True.
This is the important to vote.